Welcome to the Untitled Podcast, the show where we explore a variety of topics that inform and entertain. From interviews with interesting guests to solo discussions of the latest news and trends, this podcast is sure to have something to pique your interest. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our new episodes. In today's episode, we'll cover Helion Energy's efforts to make fusion energy accessible, the potential harm that AI can cause, the use of AI in fighting global abuses of power, solutions to the risks of AI-generated content, the growth and benefits of generative AI, recent advancements in AI technology, and resources for expanding knowledge of AI technology. Hey there, I have some interesting news to share with you today. Did you know that a Sam Altman-backed startup is working towards cracking the code on fusion energy and aims to bring it to the masses by 2028? That's right. Scott Krisiloff, the chief business officer at Helion Energy, believes that fusion energy can revolutionize the way we power our world, as it emits no carbon and has a lower demand on a power grid than solar and wind energy. But here's the thing. With the rise of artificial intelligence, we may have to be cautious about its impact on our lives. Criminals may use AI to scam us, but on the other hand, companies like Google are constantly working on ways AI and machine learning can help prevent phishing attacks. Speaking of Google, did you hear the news? They have added machine learning models to the Gmail app to help users quickly access relevant emails on their phone. How amazing is that? But with AI taking over various aspects of our lives, there's a concern regarding how it could be used in elections. While AI could be a political campaign manager's dream, allowing them to tune their persuasion efforts to millions of people individually, it could become a nightmare for democracy. Food for thought, right? That's it for today's interesting insights on AI and fusion energy. Stay tuned for more exciting news. Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence, AI, will eventually destroy the world? It's a scary thought, but let's look at the facts. AI has the potential to cause harm in several ways. For example, hackers could use AI to create realistic-looking fakes, but this problem can be solved by protecting against vulnerabilities. Meanwhile, physical harm could occur if a nation-state used AI to create self-driving tanks or drones. However, this is unlikely to happen as nobody has suggested anything as powerful as nuclear weapons. In addition, the government could step in if needed to shut down the program. The only scenario in which AI might pose a threat would be if an advanced program developed by Google or another major tech company bypassed human intervention and made decisions on its own. But even then, this is a highly unlikely scenario. Furthermore, the performance of an AI program varies depending on the resources that are invested in developing it. As for whether intelligence has a limit, it's difficult to say. AI has the potential to solve many complex problems, but there simply haven't been enough cases to determine its full potential. It could potentially make significant strides in math and physics, but we have yet to see how far it can go. In conclusion, there's no need to be overly concerned about the potential for AI to destroy the world anytime soon. The world is becoming increasingly worried about artificial intelligence, AI. People are concerned that AI poses an existential threat to humanity. A group of industry leaders recently warned that AI should be considered as much of a threat as nuclear war. Medics around the world have also expressed their concerns about AI, stating that it could harm the health of millions and calling for a halt to its development until better regulated. Politicians, economists, journalists, photographers, artists, train drivers, former Google employees, and more are all concerned about the impact of AI. But what about those fighting against dictators and despots around the world? According to Tirana Hassan, the newly appointed head of Human Rights Watch, technology, including AI, is an opportunity to help them in their fight. Hassan believes AI will turbocharge their efforts to bring abusers of power to justice. By leveraging AI, they can gain new insights, identify patterns of abuse, and more efficiently gather evidence against individuals and regimes who violate human rights. The potential of AI in the fight for human rights should not be overlooked. Have you ever thought about what will happen once the internet becomes inundated with AI content? It's possible that AI models could get trained on their own previous outputs, leading to an endless loop of repetitive patterns and information that might not be accurate. This could result in a lot of blogs, images, and videos with similar content flooding the internet. So how can we avoid this potential issue? One possible solution is to have rigorous quality checks done by humans at AI companies. Some companies like OpenAI claim to already be doing this, but the question arises, how accurate are they? Many AI-generated articles are almost identical to those written by humans, making it difficult to detect if an AI loop is already occurring. So, what can be done to prevent this problem? Some suggest that researchers, human designers, and journalists could provide the latest information with human writing and designs. Or perhaps AI companies could hire human specialists to ensure user trust and accuracy. Alternatively, users might start relying on top research and journalism sites that promise natural and accurate content. As for the current use of AI tools by marketers and designers, it's suggested they play a positive part to avoid such a loop by ensuring originality, accuracy, and natural content. This could be achieved by doing their own research, adding their own insights, and tailoring AI models to consider only fresh and reliable sources, instead of general online data, which might be already AI generated. What's your take on this issue? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is so integrated into our daily lives that it becomes pervasive in almost every aspect. Well, according to a new report by Bloomberg, that's the reality we're heading towards. It's been estimated that generative AI is going to explode, and with an expected annual revenue of $1.3 trillion by 2032, it will make up around 12% of global technology spend. That's a huge growth from just $67 billion per year that is spent right now. But here's the interesting part. Incumbents will be the ones who will capture most of the value, not startups. The report suggests that startups may not reap as many of the rewards from the growth of generative AI. In fact, companies like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and NVIDIA will benefit most from generative AI's growth. There are a few reasons why incumbents will succeed the most. Firstly, AI infrastructure spend is expected to grow to $247 billion per year by 2032. This is a great opportunity for companies to sell AI infrastructure to customers and lead the innovation. Secondly, AI server spend is expected to grow to $134 billion per year by 2032. NVIDIA, Azure, AWS, and other big tech companies will take the biggest advantage of this growth. Finally, digital ad spend powered by generative AI is expected to grow to $192 billion. This would be a huge chunk of the current global digital ad spend, $500 billion, and companies like Google and Meta will benefit the most. In a world of AI, the shift in technology will lead to a reconfiguration of jobs, and that's already happening today. Many companies are trimming down their headcount but adding AI-related roles. Dropbox is a prime example. In April, they laid off 16% of their staff to make room for hiring in AI-related roles. Even Wall Street banks like JP Morgan are shifting their workforce, with 40% of open roles now being in AI roles. This is just the beginning of the era of AI. If you're interested in keeping up to date with the latest trends and implications of generative AI tech, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. It's completely free and sent once a week. Have a great day. Hey there! Today's 2-minute AI update is packed with exciting news from some of the biggest tech giants. First up, NVIDIA Research has just introduced their new AI model for 3D reconstruction called NeuralAngelo. This innovative technology uses neural networks to generate detailed 3D structures from 2D video clips captured from any device, such as a cell phone or drone. This breakthrough will make it significantly easier to create virtual replicas of real-world objects like buildings and sculptures, saving developers and creative professionals valuable time and effort. Next, OpenAI is launching the Cybersecurity Grant Program, a $1 million initiative aimed at promoting AI-powered cybersecurity and encouraging meaningful discourse between AI and cybersecurity professionals. The program aims to empower defenders across the globe to work together effectively and change the power dynamics of cybersecurity through AI. Google has developed a retrieval augmented model, which addresses issues with pre-training and reduces the computational requirements of large-scale AI models like T5, GPT-3, Palm, Flamingo, and Pali. By using a multi-source multimodal memory, the model can answer knowledge-intensive queries more efficiently and allows the model parameters to reason better about the query rather than being dedicated to memorization. Microsoft is enhancing the free version of Teams on Windows 11 by introducing new features such as support for communities, which allows users to organize and interact with loved ones or small community groups, and Microsoft Designer, an AI art tool for generating images based on text prompts, now integrated into Microsoft Teams. Lastly, Alibaba has officially launched their new AI chatbot, similar to ChatGPT, which is integrated into their suite of apps, including the messaging app DingTalk. Alibaba plans to introduce several new features throughout the year, including real-time English to Chinese translation of multimedia content, as well as a Google Chrome extension. But there's more. Another exciting development is AgentGPT Web, an autonomous AI platform that enables users to customize and deploy AI agents directly in their browser. All you need to do is provide a name and objective for your AI agent, and the agent takes it from there. It will autonomously acquire knowledge, take actions, communicate, and adapt to accomplish its assigned aim. That's it for today's 2-minute AI update. Check back in with us for more exciting news from the world of AI. Hey there, listeners of the AI Unraveled podcast. I've got some exciting news for you. If you're anything like us, you're always eager to discover more about the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Well, have we got the perfect resource for you? Introducing AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, the ultimate guide for anyone looking to elevate their understanding of AI. Available now on Amazon, Google, and Apple bookstores online, this engaging book is guaranteed to answer all of your burning questions about artificial intelligence, while also providing valuable insights that will keep you ahead of the curve. And the best part? You don't have to be an expert to enjoy this read. It's written in a way that's easy to understand, while still providing in-depth information that even seasoned pros will appreciate. So, whether you're looking to expand your knowledge or simply want to keep up with the latest trends in the AI space, AI Unraveled is the book for you. Head on over to Amazon today to get your copy and dive headfirst into the captivating world of AI. On today's episode, we covered various aspects of AI and its impact on different fields, including energy, cybersecurity, human rights, content creation, job market, and media hosting, as well as potential concerns about AI harms. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to tune in to our next episode.